I'm Crescent, student at Texila University, healthcare program, PhD, and my article was about evaluation on awareness and application of statistical process control among health practitioners of rural Tanzania health facilities. And background, statistical process control is a collection of tools that, when used together, can result in process stability and variance reduction in production and services. For effective and efficient of quality performance, health practitioners must know the concept of statistical process control and its components applications. This will determine the quality needs and demand of health seekers, and that are customers. However, different studies reported that general concept of statistical process control is unclear to many practitioners. Its application does not fulfill the need and the demand of those health seekers. And this study was basically aimed at evaluating the degree to which health practitioners know and apply statistical process control in their daily practices. Non-interventional method of cross-sectional exploration was used. Both qualitative and quantitative data was collected. 35 health professionals were conveniently interviewed. Self-administered questionnaire were administered, and data was systematically analyzed by Excel program in the computer. The results of 35 health practitioners interviewed, 47% do not completely know the general concept of statistical process control. All 100% of health practitioners interviewed had never applied at all statistical process control in their daily practices. About tools, when the tools of statistical process control were tested, of 28 required responses, only 22, that is 80%, indicated that they are aware with check sheets. Few respondents were poorly responded to other recommended tools of statistical process control. However, there are other forms of statistical control, process control tools used in the hospital for quality control out of the ordinary one, known as statistical process tools. When practitioners were asked about their opinions to apply statistical process control as way forward to improve their practice in future, a great number, 28 out of 35, which is 8%, recommended the statistical process control to be incorporated in clinical practice to improve quality of work. In conclusion, if properly considered, the result from this mini study will improve efficiency and effectiveness of performance among health practitioners. The result will also be useful for health facility managers, as they will use to guide the decision making about where improvement and effort of action to be focused in the first place. However, this study may not sufficiently reflect the real situation of rural Tanzania health facilities, as it took place in only one health facilities with a very small sample size. However, this study may be good platform for further study with adequate sample size. Thank you for listening and welcome for any question. Thank you.